Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. Today let us talk about the security of our assets. Now, as you can see, I am using Penny Wallet and you can see spam tokens detected. We found one or more tokens in your wallet that are known to be unsafe or potentially harmful. Do you want to disable it? Okay, let me keep them for now for the sake of this tutorial. Now you can see in my wallet I'm having 75 trillion 296 billion 973 million 60,250 dollars. Wow, with this I am made for life, right? But this is an illusion. So you are going to notice that in your Web3 wallets, whether Trust Wallet, MetaMask, OKX Wallet, Penny Wallet, Giant Wallet, even Binance Wallet, you're going to notice that some of the tokens or tokens you did not purchase, you found them in your wallet. For instance, look at the second token in my wallet, which is thank you. I never purchased this wallet. Okay, I'm having about a Omega sum 9 billion, trillion, I don't even know. And what is the total sum? Look at it, is even it has sum up almost everything that you see here, about 75 trillion dollars. So the temptation is for you to say, oh, I've seen money, for you to quickly want to swap it. Once you do that, you make your wallet vulnerable and your assets can be stolen. So let us look at it first. Now, let us look at this first one, WikiCat, right? Let us touch WikiCat. If you come here, one of the things you should pay attention to, check market cap. Can you see market cap? 28 million. Then, check liquidity. You can see liquidity, right? Now, 1.77 million. So that means you will be able to swap this token to another to sell. So that is what liquidity is meant for. So now this figure represents the amount locked up for trading. Okay, you can read it. Now let us go back to this particular one. Thank you. Check market cap. $1,434 trillion. That is the market cap, isn't it? Wow, that is a very big market cap, even bigger than the entire crypto market cap. But look at liquidity, 0.012. You don't even have up to 10 cents. You can see that. So that is the red flag. So because since there is no liquidity, when you try to swap this token, it will never go through. But in that process, you are going a contract is going to be triggered. So you are going to grant permission to whoever owns the token, because before you swap token through DEX, through decentralized exchanges, you must grant a permission access to your wallet. Once you grant access to your wallet through the process of swapping, then your token is gone and gone for good. So when you come across this type of token, what you need to do is simply come back. You're going to see things like something like manage token. So for instance, this thank you token, Binance AI. I never bought any of these. Flocky Shiba, okay, you can see these three. I never bought them. So these are scam tokens. Let us check Binance AI. You are going to see 11 trillion market cap. Look at the liquidity, 0.0808 liquidity. So that is to show that it's a scam token. Then look at the MetaFlocky. Look at the market cap, $202 million. Look at the liquidity. So this is how you detect scam token. Apart from that, you can also copy the contract address of any scam token. For instance, let us use the thank you token. Copy the contract address. And let us go to app like Dex Screener. Okay, we have Dex2, we have Dex Screener. Use any one you want to. Let us check this token. So touch the search icon, paste the contract address, look at it, no pair found. So this is to show that you can't even trade it. But let us use WikiCat as an example. So let us choose WikiCat. Let us copy it, contract address. Copy. Let us go back to Dex Screener. Let us clear this and paste our contract address. You see, it can show us. Pick the first one, which is WikiCat, this. Then you can see all the information. See, this is given the price in USD in wrap BNB. You can even see how long this token has been, when it was created 4 years, 3 months ago. You can check you can even analyze the contract. You can see no issue, no issue. You can check a lot of things. You can check the pair, the liquidity pool. So you can even use Token Sniper to check the legitimacy of this coin. So you can use apps like Dex Screener, Dex2, Coins, Token Sniffer, and so on and so forth to check how legit a token is. Look at it. Market cap, you can see 27.9 million. Then you can see liquidity, $868,000. So that is to show that whenever there is no pair shown, it shows that it's a scam token. So when you come across this kind of scam tokens, what do? Simply come to look for manage in your Web3 wallet, touch it. Thank you. I'm going to disable it. And then MetaShiba and so on. I'll disable it. Then I can go back. You can see what is in my wallet now. So this is what I have. And so this is one of the ways you keep your wallet safe. The security of your wallet is very, very important. Do not swap any token you never bought that showed up arbitrarily in your wallet. Rather, disable them. Then another thing you can do to secure your assets. Many people are going to regret that they heard of crypto in 2026 and they refused to invest in it or to take the information at their disposal seriously. And so one of the ways you can secure your asset when the thousands or millions of dollars start pouring in with the bull run is to have 2 different wallets. One of your wallet, for instance, this is my trading wallet. If anything I have here now eventually turns out to be a very good one and does a good return for me, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the swapping here, and whatever I sell here, I'm going to sell. For instance, if I swap to USDT, I'm going to send the USDT to another wallet. This wallet, I will never use it to do any swapping. I will never connect to any dApp, any website at all. The only thing I use that wallet to do is to save my token, to keep it. Then if there's anything I want to sell, I transfer it to this wallet. Or another thing you can do, you can create a wallet for swapping. Once you swap, transfer it out of the wallet, delete that wallet, create another wallet. You can create many wallets anytime so that your asset will be lost. Because once it will be safe, kept safe, will not be lost. Because once the bull run starts and you begin to have thousands or millions of dollars in your wallet, you are going to be a target of scammers, people trying to hack your wallet and so on and so forth. So one of the ways of keeping your wallet safe, your hot wallet, is by making sure you do not grant any permission, do not do any swapping in that particular wallet. Then the best option is to have a cold wallet. Once you have a cold wallet, you can check our videos on wallets and exchanges. Once you have a cold wallet is safer. So when eventually you make some good money, ensure you get yourself a cold wallet to keep or increase the security of your asset. So this is all we have for you today. Please, if you have found value in this video, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to all set so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Also, there will be a link in the description of this video or in our Telegram channel to another video in which we already addressed this issue and even went deeper to do more explanation, especially on how to check the legitimacy of a coin or a token through the contract address, checking the necessary aspect of the contract address, whether there is subcontract address for selling tags, buying tags, whitelisting, blacklisting. So do well to also see that video. It can be of great help to you. If there's any aspect of the security of an asset you still want us to make video on or to do tutorials on, please, you can make recommendations in the comment section and we attend to them. Till we come your way again next time, stay blessed.